Need a flooring solution that can handle the pressure of busy commercial spaces? SPC flooring is engineered for performance in high-traffic environments. Its scratch-resistant surface protects against daily wear from heavy foot traffic, carts, and furniture. The rigid core construction delivers superior durability and stability, even in demanding settings. Whether it's a retail store, office, or public area, SPC flooring maintains its strength and appearance over time. It's also water-resistant and easy to clean, making maintenance effortless. Y.H.F is a leading Chinese manufacturer specializing in premium SPC, LVT, WPC, and ESD vinyl flooring solutions. Designed to meet the diverse needs of residential and commercial projects, our products reflect a deep commitment to sustainability and innovation. By combining durability, style, and eco-friendly materials, we help create spaces that are both functional and beautiful. Choose Y.H.F SPC flooring, built tough for your business, designed to last.